Okay, so we're heading to IKEA. I actually woke up early for this. So let's go. This is my first time being here after lockdown. Let's see if there's any changes. Just spotting people with face masks on. And it looks less crowded, which is great. Gonna go grab a trolley. Don't forget to sanitize your hands. From this point onwards, I had to mute my video because IKEA played some copyrighted music, so I didn't want to risk it. Getting a trash can for my room. Okay, which one should I go for? Or you guys call it the bin. Yes, yay, so we finally got one. More trash cans. And now the big trash cans for our kitchen. There we go. So we're literally here for trash cans. Gosh. Ooh, it's an emergency exit. I don't know why, but I've always wanted an emergency exit experience, but it never happened. I mean, I guess I shouldn't want it to happen. These carpets are so ugly. My favorite section, the candles section. Ooh, I'm definitely getting these vanilla candles. I've always wanted to be a houseplant person, but I just never ended up getting any. So, if any of you want to sponsor me some houseplants, you know what to do. And now we're entering the literal warehouse section. I spot a hammock. Oh my god, this would be perfect for reading. I could read all day on this thing. Outdoor world check. Vibes. Okay, let's leave. I actually came here to look for a book trolley. So let's find rack 0, section 14. What? There's literally no rack 0. Where is it? That's rack 1. Oh wait, it's not even an actual rack. Everything in the middle is rack 0. Look, that's rack 3. Okay, let's look for section 14. So that's 13. Oh, 14, I found it. Oh, there it is. I see the trolleys. I want the white one. Okay, that's the white one. We got it. Yay. Let's just dump it in the trolley. Oh my god, trolleyception. Rack tour. This place is massive. Oh, there's someone behind me. Please don't judge me. I can already smell the hot dogs from here. Baby pandas chilling out on baby chairs. What are we looking at now? Oh, more trolleys. The line is not that bad today. So we're good. Let's head out to the checkout. Self-service checkout, of course. Yes. Yeah. I'm not gonna get the hot dogs. Okay, we're gonna get the we're gonna get hot dogs and the ice cream. Okay, it's done. Oh, I'm so tired. It was harder than I thought it would be.
start again. It's a red skin.